Okay, today I'm continuing with the idea of deploying applications, web applications on nostr, and I have on the left the same from the video before where I was loading and running apps on the nostr, and on the right I have Visual Studio Code, and I made a plugin. You can see down to this bottom corner it's going to show apps as I create them, and I have a couple, workplace with just a few sample apps to show. So I added some of these. Let's be on the right window here. A few commands. So come in, create an app. Let's start with a hello world. Okay. It's deployed. You get the message there. You get it in your list of apps that are available, and you can see on the left that, well, it's not deployed, that was just creating the app. On the left you can see before the event came in and the app is created. So now if I want to deploy, I can come to the tree and right click and just select. Now on the the little pop-up on the bottom right and as well as on the left, you can see it was deployed successfully. So there you have that, and I can select and load, and it's just a stupid, hello world app. Hit a button, it just keeps on saying hello. So I come back over to my editor. I go to my to-do app from last time. I can run the same command to create it, and it's to-do app. You can see it in my list here. You can see the little pop-up. You can see it over here. And to deploy it, there's also another option from, if you like just using the keyboard and not the tree, you can come up here and then it shows you the available apps, the same list that's in the tree, and where do you want to deploy it to. So I want to deploy it to the to-do app, and you can see it came up. I select and load the app, and now you see, like before, the same to-do app, and just like before, except now with a vscode extension. I have a pull request in to be able to run nostr tools in a node environment, so it'll work with Visual Studio, and that's what I'm using to run this, but it'll all get there eventually. Thanks for watching.